Hey folks, welcome to Random Things Keith Does. As we can see here, fall is upon us. We're actually supposed to get snow next week here in October in Saskatchewan. So one of the things I'm doing is we got temporary bug screen on our patio here. So to keep the snow out of the patio in winter, we cover it up with poly. So I'm just going to throw some vapor barrier up there quick with my buddy Wayne helping out and bring you guys along, and I'll just do a time lapse and you'll see what we're doing.
Yeah.
As you can see, we followed all safety procedures, particularly with the side-by-side. We checked the tire pressures. We had fall arrest, the ground. But yeah, so we got her done. We're ready for winter. Basically just keeps the wind and the snow from going through the screen into the patio. It is polished concrete in the patio, so it ends up slippery and goose poop. And almost bit the dust a few times the first winter. So we just throw some vapor barrier up on there real quick, and she's actually quite pleasant in the winter in there. So that's all I got for this one. Talk to you later.